Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And here I have a great article for you guys from It News Online. I will leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. So, new partnership announcement with Teal and T-Mobile. Test drive faster eSIM adoption with T-Mobile partnership. So, I've said this in a previous video. I think T-Mobile is the company most ready for any new innovation and technology, especially going digital. I made that video a while back, and I still stand by that. Verizon and AT&T, they have too many legacy systems. It's going to be a bit of a tougher transition for them, but T-Mobile, they started new when the Un-carrier, they revamped their systems, and now it seems like they're more flexible to this type of partnership with eSIM. So Teal's agreement enables enterprises to connect any compatible IoT devices directly onto T-Mobile's network. So again, a big win for T-Mobile. They're trying to go bigger with enterprise. They're trying to get these partnerships, these wholesale agreements, and it looks like that's exactly what they're doing. So Teal announced today they have signed a wholesale agreement with T-Mobile. Teal plans to offer enterprises across America direct access to T-Mobile's industry-leading network. So regardless of how you look at it, right, people are saying, well, T-Mobile's leadership claim is not valid. And be that as it may, it's working. Companies are starting to sign on. Enterprises are starting to sign on. And it's based on the fact of the industry-leading network. T-Mobile said as much recently at a conference that the VA chose them because they had the better network. That's what they claimed. Again, I have no proof of that, but that's what they are claiming. And it looks like Teal is, choosing T-Mobile based on the industry-leading network. So I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. I would assume T-Mobile will eventually also put this on the T-Mobile newsroom. So I'll put that link in there as well whenever that launches. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is T-Mobile's breakthrough. This is the best network they've ever operated. And if I'm being honest, LTE, that network, they failed. They lost that generation. But now this is the best network they've ever operated. So it looks like it's working. The marketing, it backs it up. And now the partnerships are rolling in. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.